Welcome back, everybody. I'm your host, Kelly Sparks, aka Red Beard. So I'm going to go ahead and do a special blind tasting of two fairly solid everyday drinkers, daily drinkers, and then a third one which just won San Francisco, I believe the San Francisco Whiskey of the Year award, and that is Henry McKenna. So what we're going to do, I got my three mystery bottles here in front of me. Got my three glasses. And the bottles are marked on the bottom. I don't know what they are. I've shell gave them, mixed them up quite a few times. But in the bottle marked A, whichever one, is Wild Turkey 101. In the bottle marked B is Knob Creek. And in the bottle marked C, we have Henry McKenna 10-year bottled in bond. Now this is barrel number 8745, which was barreled on 8/9/2008. So I was wanting to do, and if you can still find this one at retail, it's going to run you about $30-35. So it's right at that daily drinker level. But I wanted to do three whiskeys that were pretty much roughly the same alcohol. And we'll see who lands on top. Let's see if I can pick them out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and just pour a slight. I only had so much Knob Creek left, so that's why the bottles are only filled about 3/4 of the way. But I'm going to keep the bottom covered. I'm going to pour a little bit in each one without looking at the bottom. Just enough for a little taste, and then we'll figure it out. I'll try to run through this one pretty quick. Some of my blind tasting videos can last a little long, so I don't want to be real lengthy with it. I'm going to just down and dirty, quick bam. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Ooh. The right nostril's working much better today. So on first nosing, I'm going to go ahead and say this one's Knob Creek. I'm going to say this one's Henry McKenna and this one's Wild Turkey. So just off the nose alone, that's what I'm guessing. Knob, Henry, Turkey. Yeah, that one definitely might be Knob Creek. I think my nose is right on this one. Might have these two mixed up. Let me run through that one again. I didn't really like this one as much. I think I'm going to change it. This one's got this spiky dryness on the end. I think this one's the Henry McKenna. Yeah. It's very, very punchy. Has this funky note to it. Smooth. I'm gonna get another taste. This one's kind of, that punchiness is still on the palate. A little sweeter. This is a tough one. This one's got some really good flavor, like caramel and toffee. Almost need a spitter. I definitely think that one's Knob Creek. I think, just as right now, these two would probably go on to the next round. This is not going to be a lengthy blind tasting, but this one I didn't like as much. It was a little punchy on it, and I just didn't care for it. No, it's a little funky, like this dusty note. Just, no. But these two I really like. And it's just in this setting, it's hard to pick a winner between the two of them. Yeah. I think I'm gonna, let me get one more little taste. I won't be upset if I'm totally off on this one. I mean, my mouth's really hot right now, so I don't know how good of a, I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to discern between these two, or these three. Well, you know what? I think I might have to pick this one over. Just slightly. And it's just today, and I might have to redo this one just to see if anything changes. It might have been what I ate earlier. But I don't know. We'll find out. We'll see how right or wrong I am. So we'll go ahead and recap. Bottle A is Wild Turkey. Bottle B is Knob Creek. And Bottle C is Henry McKenna. Now, for what I picked in third place, I'm fairly positive this is the Henry McKenna. Let's see how good I am. Oh, crap! I was way off with Wild Turkey. Well, I picked Wild Turkey last today, folks. I had a brief moment there that I thought I was wrong. I hope Henry McKenna didn't win. I hope this one's Knob Creek. I really do. All right. C, Henry McKenna got second place, and B, Knob Creek got first. So, wow. I'm gonna have to redo that one. I think this might be a multi-parter. So, as it stands today, Knob Creek beat out Henry McKenna and Wild Turkey just on taste alone. So, hey, I mean, I like Knob Creek. Who doesn't like a little knob in their mouth? I mean, they're all totally enjoyable, but just today as it stands, Knob Creek won out. So, interesting. I totally thought this was the Wild Turkey. I don't remember. It's just threw me off. So, oh well. Wasn't on my A game today. But Knob Creek won, followed by Henry McKenna, and then Wild Turkey. So, oh well. Hope you guys enjoyed this impromptu blind tasting. Don't forget to check out the Tattered Beans in the description below. Order some coffee from me. It's very, very tasty. Check out the Bearded Idiots. And like always, folks, drink some whiskey, share it with your friends and family, and have a nice day. Y'all take care.